we're going to start in Rag Bhairav, the ascending descending order, and it is Sampurna Jati Rag, and we'll play the ascending Aroha and descending Avarohan and little paltas exercises how it works. So I am holding sitar, those who are new to here. This is sitar and made by pumpkin here, and we have strings, and these are the keys, and the frets are in metal. We wear mizrab here to plug the first string, second string and shikari and all. We have da and ra strokes, and left hand we both the finger we use like this, index finger and middle finger, and we tune in scale D approximately. And this sitar's sympathetic tune, these are the sympathetic strings here, the keys are here. We tune in Rag Bhairav again, and let us start the little bit of Bhairav. So you know the Rag Bhairav morning ragas. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. This is the ascending descending of Rag Bhairav. Now we can play little bit in the Mandra Saptak, the lower octave. This is normal practice of ascending descending of the sitar, and this is Kharaj Pancham sitar specially, and we have extra frets, that's why I call Achal third parda. These are the frets we call Hindi in parda. So in this special sitar specially we have extra frets here, otherwise normal sitar we don't have this frets in general. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni dha pa ma